Hey, good morning and welcome back to the adventure. I'm in the garage today. I wanted to do a quick review on the magnetic door and power cable kit. I've had this for about a month or so and just now getting an opportunity to get back in the garage and do a review. Like I said before, I don't do a lot of reviews, but this is something pretty cool that will help keep your GoPro charged throughout the day. And so I want to do a quick review on it. So without further ado, let's get in. Okay, so here we are with the Contacto magnetic door and power cable kit. It includes a Contacto door, Contacto USB-C cable that's 1.6 foot in length, as well as a Contacto USB-C cable that's 3.9 foot in length. There's also an adapter cable for the Volta, and we'll take a really quick look at how that works as we do the unboxing and review. And this also just gives you another capability to use the regular camera with the new Contacto door, you know, with USB-C power as well, if you just got it sitting on your desk. Okay, so inside the box, let's go get this out. It does come with some quick instructions on how to install everything. It's pretty self-explanatory though as you get into it. Comes with the door itself. Here's the USB-C power source. Hooks onto the door pretty well. Also comes with that 1.6 foot cable. As well as this 3.9 foot cable. We won't untether that or uncoil that, but you get an idea. Pretty nice size cable. All right, so we're going to use the GoPro 12 to do our installation, but this works on the 9, the 10, the 11, the 12, and the 13. The box says that it only works, I think, from the 10, 11, 12, and 13, but I have tried it on the 9 and it does work. So pretty easy, normal. You know, take the door off as you normally would, and then take the Contacto door. Installs pretty easily. This door magnetic link really has a tight seal on it, and it should keep your camera weatherproof. So, you know, out in the rain, you should be okay. And then from there, of course, the cable will attach to the back of it or to the side of it like that, with the USB-C part of it or the cable part, you know, going backwards. So taking a USB-C cable slides right into it pretty easily. And then as you can see, the power light actually comes on. We'll turn the camera on. And this battery's already pretty charged, but as you can see, it's got the little lightning bolt icon on the battery there saying that it is charging. So yeah, pretty cool. So it also talks about this cable being used with the Volta, and so pretty simple here. Just take the cable from the Volta, right, insert it into the USB-C area. And then from there, you can install the magnetic part of it back onto the camera. Again, the battery icon is on. Hopefully you can see that. With the Volto. And then I've got the quick disconnect mounts, which is pretty cool, right? So slide that on there like that. And you're good to go. I'm not a big fan of all this cable hanging here, but it is to the rear of the camera, and so that keeps it out of the view of the front of the camera. All right, so there you have it. Just a quick review of the Contacto magnetic door and power cable kit. I'm going to go get kitted up and jump on the bike and kind of give you some ideas of how this would work on a bicycle. Okay, out on the road, all kitted up. I have the Contacto accessory hooked up to my GoPro 12. I'm running a small external battery in my seat tube pack, one by Anchor, and I think it's working pretty well. So let me show you the front of the camera. So hopefully you can see the red light on there recording and whatever else is on the face of the camera. We're gonna take a quick ride out to the lake. Hadn't been out here in quite some time. It's 74 degrees, a little breezy, but not too bad. You may be able to tell it from the microphones on the GoPro, but anyway, I'm gonna check it out. I'll check back in later. I've had this camera running, not the camera I'm on recording, but my 12 that I've got on the handlebar. I've had it running for about 10 minutes now, and so far it seems okay. Hey, if you're a cyclist and you're out on a ride, do you always wave or acknowledge the cyclist coming towards you? A lot of people don't, and I don't get it. Be happy that you're out on a bicycle and recognize those that are out there with you. But just a quick finger, not the middle finger, but just a quick finger up if you don't take your hands off the handlebars, or a quick wave. Goes a long way. Okay, I'm about halfway into the ride. I could go further, but I think I'll turn around here at about the 6.5 mile mark. That'll give me roughly 13, maybe 14, depending on how I go back in. I wanted to get it caught up on how the Contacto door and power cord is working. So as you can see, hopefully without the glare, see if I can get a glare off of it. Go a little closer. The battery says that it's 93%. It's not charging. I wonder if my main external battery is dead. 29 minutes it's been running, no overheating. Let's look at the so here's the Anchor. Oh yeah, she's dead. So you're only limited, I guess, of course, to how much battery life you actually have in your external battery. However, with 93%, I could probably make it back home. So you figure maybe an hour with external battery. I don't know if that's good or not. I've never really dove into how long a GoPro battery will actually last. Hey GoPro, if you're listening, which you're probably not at this vlog, but if by chance you stop by just to check it out, it'd be nice if you just sold a replacement door without the cables. Those of us that have multiple GoPros, Would love to put these on multiple devices. So what do you think, GoPro? Give me a replacement door that I can use without the cables. Okay, check this out. The Contacto and battery life is pretty amazing, but if you can read that, I run out of SD card on a, I don't know, 45-minute ride. It wasn't empty, but at least the GoPro outlasted the SD card this time.